Susie Valentine, Realtor with Century 21 Now Realty. Please come join me in this beautiful house tour. This is a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom house with a 2-car garage. Today we are in the community Spring Mountain Ranch, which is in Riverside, California. We will be viewing the KB Home Cambria Residence 2529 model home, showcased with optional builder upgrades. This large 2-level home features an open floor plan and offers approximately 2,529 square feet of living space. The great room is a standout feature of this home with its impressive 9-foot-high ceilings that creates a sense of spaciousness. It's illuminated by recessed lighting, and the numerous windows generously infuse the room with an abundance of natural light. This combination of architectural design and natural lighting makes it a welcoming and inviting space, perfect for gatherings, relaxation, and enjoying the scenic views outside. The dining room offers a picturesque view of the backyard, enhanced by the soft glow of recessed lighting. In addition, it features a convenient sliding glass door, seamlessly connecting the indoor and outdoor spaces. The kitchen is a true culinary delight, featuring stunning countertops, pristine white cabinets, elegant backsplash, and a thoughtful modern touch with USB charging ports for your convenience. This stainless steel double sink offers a lovely view of the backyard, making dishwashing a more pleasant task. It's equipped with high-quality stainless steel appliances, including an oven, stove, microwave, and dishwasher. Now, if this were your kitchen, what dish would you whip up as your first culinary creation? Another notable feature of this model home is the spacious walk-in pantry, providing additional storage space that's both smart and convenient. It's an ideal spot for stowing away holiday decorations or treasured items that you'd prefer not to keep in the garage. The center island is not only a functional focal point, but also a versatile one. It includes a breakfast bar and offers extra storage for your convenience. This feature is perfect for casual dining or can be easily transformed into a buffet table, making it an ideal choice for hosting parties and gatherings. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. The backyard offers a multitude of opportunities for enjoyment and leisure, allowing you to make the most of our beautiful Southern California weather. Whether you're hosting social events, tending to your garden, or seeking a peaceful spot to relax with a good book, this outdoor space is your perfect haven. If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California region and would like to be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The downstairs bathroom offers a soothing shower, a toilet, well-placed cabinets, and a sink for your comfort and ease. I was pleased to see the optional downstairs bedroom with a closet. It has views of the front of the home, but would normally be a den. Since many are working from their house these days, This room would make an ideal home office with a designated area to quietly study or work. In the hallway, there is a direct garage access, which is perfect when you just came home from the grocery store and your hands are full. However, it was locked and unable to view inside. Within the hallway, there's a convenient coat closet, providing a handy storage solution for both you and your guests who drop by for a visit. Now let's view the upstairs. The loft is illuminated by natural light through its windows and features recessed lighting. It offers the versatility to serve as an optional 6-bedroom too. This home is equipped with both heating and air conditioning systems for your year-round comfort. The second bedroom is designed to offer a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. It's generously lit by a window with the added convenience of recessed lighting for a cozy ambiance in the evenings. You'll find ample storage space in the closet, and the plush carpeting underfoot adds a touch of comfort and warmth to the space. If you have a friend who loves model house tours, please share this video with them. And if you want to research for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. The primary suite stands out as a delightful retreat, offering a quiet and private space away from the other bedrooms. It benefits from abundant natural light through its windows and is thoughtfully illuminated by recessed lighting. To add to the comfort, the room is carpeted, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The ensuite primary bathroom is both functional and stylish. It features ample cabinet space for storage, dual sinks for added convenience, and a refreshing shower to start or end your day. Within the primary bathroom, you'll find a linen closet, ideal for neatly storing towels and extra toiletries. Additionally, there's a private water closet with a toilet for added privacy. A standout feature of the primary suite is this generally sized walk-in closet. It provides ample space for your wardrobe, accommodating both your winter and summer clothes with ease. Which room in this stunning home has won your heart so far? Please share your favorite in the comments below. The fourth bedroom is a welcoming space, featuring windows that fills the room with natural light during the day. In the evenings, recessed lighting provides a warm and inviting atmosphere. For your convenience, there's a closet to keep your belongings organized. This soft and plush carpeting adds an extra layer of comfort, making this room a cozy retreat. The guest bathroom is well appointed with cabinets, dual sinks, a toilet, and a shower integrated into the bathtub. The fifth bedroom offers a perfect blend of functionality and comfort. It's bathed in natural light thanks to the windows, and the carefully placed recessed lighting ensures a warm and inviting atmosphere, day or night. The closet offers abundant storage space, while the soft and luxurious carpeting adds a touch of coziness to the room, making it a comfortable and inviting space to relax and unwind. There is a centrally located linen closet in the hallway for your convenience. The laundry room is equipped with washer and dryer hookups, as well as a convenient shelf to neatly store your laundry supplies. This home is designed with environmentally friendly features, including energy-efficient dual-pane, low-E glass windows and doors, water-saving plumbing fixtures, and an eco-friendly hybrid electric hot water heater. The KB Home Cambria community features miles of pedestrian trails, as well as a 6-acre community park with sand volleyball court, basketball court, barbecue, and picnic areas. It is located near Loma Linda University Medical Center, the Mission Inn Hotel and Spa, and the University of California, Riverside. Wasn't that home lovely? Now, if you like that one, you'll probably like these two as well. And if you're in the Southern California area thinking about selling your home or buying one, either new or pre-owned, please give me a call, Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.